Hello everyone, I am Shruti Vijayargi from BISP Solution. In this video, I am going to tell you about how to convert one variable type into another in R. So what is type conversion? As you all know, type defines that what type of data is going to store in a variable. So type conversion we are going to use to convert one data type into another type. Type conversion in if you want to check the type of any variable in R, so you use either class command, or you can use for checking the number is numeric or not, so use is dot numeric. If you want to check the number is character or not, then use is dot character. If you want to check the creating variable is a vector or not, so use is dot vector. And if you want to check whether it is a matrix or not, then use is dot matrix. So the type conversion can be done in R by using, if you want to convert the vector into numeric, then use as dot numeric, that means as dot numeric. If you want to convert it into character, then as dot character. And if you want to convert the variable into vector, then write as dot vector. And if you want to convert it into matrix, then use as dot matrix. So let's begin with the R Studio and understand how does it works. Let's suppose I'm going to create an vector and it contains 1 to 10 values. So if I type this, it will contain values 1 to 10. If I want to know the class of this vector, then I'm using class command here to check. So by default, its type is integer. You can also check it by using is dot numeric, whether it is numeric or not, and pass vect1 as argument and enter. So it is true, because as numeric converts an integer to numeric class, and though numeric and integer classes behave the same for most practical purposes. And if I want to convert this integer type into numeric, then I am going to write as dot numeric and passing vect1 as argument and going to store it into the same variable vect1. And now if I check the class of vect1, so this will return integer, but in previous it returns integer. Okay, so this is how you can convert any vector into numeric using as dot numeric. Now if I want to convert this vector into character, then I write as dot character and passing vect1 as argument and going to store it into vect1. Now the class of this vector becomes character. Now let's suppose what happens when you have character and number within the same vector. So now let's suppose I am creating another vector, vector 2, and I'm going to store it in one character variable and another is numeric value. Now if I check the class or the type of this vector, by default it is character, because the type conversion in vector is done according to the precedence. So character has higher priority than the numeric one, so it converted it into character. Number is converted into character. Now if I created another vector, and this I'm going to store one logical value and one numeric value. And now if I check the class of this vector, it is numeric, because logical value has low priority than the numeric value. So the first priority is has character, the second priority will be having numeric. And now if I create another vector, and this I'm going to store one logical value and the second is the character, then what happens to this? So if I check the class of this vector, it will become character, because character has the highest priority than logical variable. So the point we have to keep in mind is that the order of precedence: first character, which has the highest priority, then the numeric, and numeric has the highest priority, then the integer value, and integer has higher priority than the logical value. So this is the order of type conversion in R. All elements of a vector should be of the same data type, otherwise they will be converted according to priority. So this is how type conversion has been done in vector. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Thanks for watching.